Hello and welcome back to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 mobile application. In the previous video we saw how the mobile application appears to the customers at the Android end, and in today's particular video what we'll be doing is we'll be taking you through the backend configuration settings of the Shopware 6 mobile app at the Shopware 6 admin backend panel there. So we'll be showing you the different sections that are available there for configuration there for the mobile banners, mobile images, and for example for the featured categories and the product carousels there, and the rest of the settings as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop on to the admin backend panel of the Shopware 6 and let's see how this particular mobile application can be configured in the first place there itself. So right now you can see that I'm at the Shopware 6 backend panel and I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password and tapping on the login button thereafter. Now what the different configuration settings are and where exactly they'll be available, let me show you that. For that what you need to do is you need to navigate to settings option, and here you need to go to plugins, and here on plugins you'll find the particular settings for the same. Like you'll be able to set up the carousel images, featured categories. You'll be able to manage the category banner and icons. You'll be able to manage notifications, mobile banners and the mobile carousels as well as per the requirement there for the mobile application for the Shopware 6 mobile app itself. So the very first option that we have here is the carousel image. Now you can add up carousel images and those carousel images will be visible on the mobile end as well as per the requirement there, and they can be basically these carousel image or the banner types can be of the product or the category type. As you can see here, for example we have created the product and the category type banners there. Now depending upon whether it's a product what we say as the banner type or the category banner type, if it's a product banner type, then whenever a customer taps on that particular banner he'll be redirected to that particular product that we've added for that particular one. Otherwise if it's a category then he'll be redirected to that particular category and he'll be able to see the particular product within that particular category itself that has been assigned to that particular banner type itself. Now to add a particular carousel image, what you can do is you can tap here on the create button, and here you have to give the title of the carousel image. Then you can choose the banner type there as product or category. Choosing product, then you have to enter the product ID here. Choosing a category, then you have to enter the category ID here as per the requirement. Then you can choose an image for the particular what we say as the carousel image there, and then you have to set the status as enabled, and then lastly you have to tap here on the save button to save the particular what we say as the carousel image. Now let me go back, and this is the particular listing of the carousel image of the product and of the category types there. Now let's go back to the settings there. Let's go to the plugins under settings. Then we have the featured category section. Now if I go to the featured category, this featured category is basically displayed at the very top of the home page of the Shopware 6 mobile application there. So the admin can add up as many as featured categories that you want to add, and they would be available in a slider form there on the mobile app itself. Now here you can see that I've added, for example, fruits, gas, mints, bakery products and movement categories basically have been basically what we say as set as the featured categories and we have uploaded their images as well. So to create a particular featured category, you can tap here on the create button. You have to choose the category by tapping on the add category, choose the particular category. If it has a subcategory, then you can go with the subcategory as well, and then you can tap on the add category button. Then you have to basically upload an image for this particular featured category, and you have to set the status as enabled, and doesn't just tap here on the save button to save the particular featured category. After saving it up, that would be listed up here within this particular section, as you can see. So this was the featured category section for the mobile application then. Now let's go back to settings and plugins, and then we have the manage category banner and icons. So from here what you can do is for the different categories that are visible on the mobile application there, for those whenever the customer taps on the particular categories option at the bottom end of the screen there within the mobile application, then on the left hand side he can see the particular categories that are available within the store there itself. Now these from this particular section, for those categories, what you can do is you can add the banner image and the icon image for the categories as well. To do so, you just have to tap here on the add button, and then you have to select a particular category by tapping on the add category. Choose a particular category. If it has a subcategory, you can go with that as well. Add category. Then you have to add the banner image for the category and the icon image. So here's the icon image, and this one is the banner image, the first one. And then tap on the save button. After saving it up, that particular category, banner and icon would be assigned here and would be visible under this particular section like this particular listing itself. Now let's go back and let's go to plugins and let's go to the manage notification. Now under the manage notifications, you will be able to create the push notifications that you can send out to your customers on their mobile device or the Android device there. And here you can see that we have created different types of notifications, and the notifications types are the category type for that we have right now created. Now to create a particular push notification, just tap here on the create button, set the title of the push notification, the content that would be there within the push notification. The banner type can be selected as whether it's the product or a category, what we say as the push notification. Apart from that, we can set the product or the category ID depending upon the selection selected under the banner type here. For product, we'll enter the product ID. For the category, we'll add the category ID there. Then we'll add the image for the push notification there, and we'll enable its status, and we'll tap here on the save button, and the particular notification would be saved like this. And then you'll be able to edit the push notification as well. And while you have created a push notification, then you'll be able to send that push notification as well. So when you've created, you'll get that particular option within that particular push notification itself. Now coming back and plugins and mobile banner, he'll be able to add mobile banners as well that are like banners basically, and those will be visible on the mobile application as well. And here to add a particular mobile banner, just tap here on the create button, set up the title, the banner type, whether it would be of a product or a category type. Depending upon the selection for the banner type, you have to select the product or the category ID there. And then we have the image section, and here you'll be uploading the image for the mobile banner there, and you have to enable the status for the same and tap on the save button, and thereafter the particular mobile banner would be saved there. Now let's go back to the settings, plugin, and lastly we have the mobile carousel. So here you can add different carousels like hot deals, featured products, 15% discount products, and much more. So likewise, you can create different sections for your home screen there, and you can add up products or what we say as images as per the requirement there, and much more. So to see how we'll be able to create the mobile carousel, so we'll just tap here on the create button. Then we'll be choosing the title. The type of the carousel would be of a product type or an image type, and depending upon the same, we'll be uploading an image for the mobile carousel, and we'll be enabling it out as well. And then we'll be tapping here on the save button to save the particular mobile carousel. After we have saved the particular mobile carousel, you'll be able to assign products by tapping on the assign product option there, and then you'll be able to select the products by tapping here on the add button, Apple, save. So you can see that this particular one has been assigned to this itself. And similarly for the image, you can assign the image by tapping here on the assign image, and then the mobile carousel images that you would have already created in the previous sections there, you can select the particular ones and you can add that up, and the particular carousel image or the mobile carousel image would be created there itself. Then you can save that up by tapping on the save button there. Now let's go back, and now let's go to the settings, plugins, and we were on the mobile carousel. I think, right, we're on the mobile carousel there. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 mobile app, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding how this particular mobile application can be configured from the admin backend panel there very easily there. And yes, if you still have any questions, curiosities or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.